So when I joined the business back in 2006, I came from a different industry and I was amazed by the difference in quality of electricians available and the fact that some weren't properly qualified or competent. So I became involved in developing a better apprenticeship standard and then other products relating to that to improve quality in the industry. The AS committee now have a qualifications guide that really shows which qualifications are valued and work for employers. The apprenticeship standards, the new experienced worker assessments, the new level 3 and level 2 qualifications that are being developed by EAL that the industry are helping to assist with. Things are slowly becoming simpler and clearer and easier to navigate, which can only be good for the level of vocational skills in this country.
Some research by the Institution of Engineering and Technology has said that out of the 1,000 engineering companies interviewed in 2021, only 7% of those with a sustainability strategy think they have the skills to meet it. It is our aim to upskill 250,000 people by 2030 with the skills and expertise to act in a globally responsible manner. If we bring that back down to my role since I've joined the organisation in 2019, is I've helped to grow our design challenges that form a key part of learning for engineers who are at universities in Cameroon, the UK, USA and South Africa. So the Engineering for People Design Challenge is a programme which is about a place. So every year we look at a community, the history, the culture, what is the water systems, the energy systems, what are the people who are living there looking for in terms of improving their environment. And students are then tasked with that open-ended brief. They get to know this place, but then they're looking at how do we improve that living system through putting their engineering skills into good use. And what I think is really great about it is because it is real world. It allows students to really grapple with understanding the complexity of our world, of cities, of places. And my role has been to grow that programme. I've worked with a fantastic team, collaborators and partners as well, to be able to grow that programme so that we are now reaching over 12,000 people. I think more than ever, developing skills is absolutely essential. When we look at what is the career going to be like for myself or others working within our profession, one thing's for sure is that we're going to be learning, relearning, continuously improving as our world changes and rapid changes in technology as well impact the way that we all work. I think there's something deeper than that though. The skills required to act in a way that is sustainable, equitable and ethical is really key for designers, engineers, those working within our profession. And for me, it's really important that we connect the engineering skills and expertise to really addressing the challenges that we face today. We are really pushing our environmental and ecological systems to the limit when we look at our climate, when we look at biodiversity, when we look at nitrogen and phosphorus loading, when we look at social injustice. We're really at this critical point where we're setting the future possibilities. So I think it's really important now to look at how do we reshape engineering to be more creative, to be more collaborative, to be more sustainable and equitable and ethical. And that potential, the potential of what we could be, really motivates me every day.